What lifts are these? Like what fixtures are those?
I've got no idea, to be honest. They're just MPs.
MPs?
And they also have terrible logic.
Yeah.
Really? That one skipped right past us. Like,
Yeah.
they're both gone now.
Yeah.
That's handy. MPs are on par with Gen 2s for what I saw.
Yeah.
It's going right on as well.
Yeah. 7, 8. It's like it's going all the way up to the top.
Now one off the top. The other one's going up and it's stopping. I don't know what's wrong with it.
Yeah. Do we get any lift to adjust? Which one do you want?
Ideally the right one.
Yeah. So what do we do if we get the left one?
The other one's close by, we'll just get it instead.
Yeah.
There's a call in both directions, so we should come. Except MP logic's crap anyway, so it probably won't. Oh, here we go, that just skipped 6. I don't know if you put that on camera. When I filmed this at the Dragonfly 123, it skipped all the way from 9 to basement 2.
Yeah.
Did that? I think we did.
Here it is.
Try hitting basement 2, I think it's locked.
Yeah, it is locked.
Okay, then go up to 3. See, if you look over this side, I don't have a 3. Well, I do, it's physically there, but...
Yeah. Yeah. Like...
Ground floor.
That's from the other call. See, I told you these stuff.
Yeah. But the rest of the floors are hotels.
These are a hotel and apartment.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's not smart fault, I guess you could say. Because you can scan a key for like level 5 and it gets you up to 9 if you press 9.
Do a cab for you. Maximum load 10,075 kilos, 14 person.
1,075.
1,075 5 kilos. Yeah. Are these MRLs or not?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, fair enough. I don't really like them that much.
Get down to the basement. No, on level 1 I do. You should see how poor we do the tiling. I can't even get the left lift, so we'll just get it down to 1.
Yeah. Yeah. Doesn't really matter which one.
Maybe there's a conference room on this one?
Here comes the left lift.
There's people in there, so...
So we probably don't want to fill people. Oh, actually it's clear.
Go to 1. Try the basements actually.
Yeah, they're locked.
See the other one up there being loaded.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, basement levels are locked. Door close button does not work, I don't like it.
Oh, hang on. There's no actual structure for the button there. This one might work because this has clickiness.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go down here. It's just...
Which side?
when you exit, go. No, give me a sec.
No one already votes.
No.
No.
Excellent.
You got underground?
Just one.
Just one? Okay.
Okay. You're at 1.
It's 2.
Yeah, 1.
Have a good one.
You too.
Yeah, I think door close actually does work.
Yeah. Doors are quite
The button physically is missing.
Yeah. Yeah. Like, doors are quite squeaky.
Okay, go out this way. This side's also going to open. Just go straight through here.
Yeah. Straight through that way?
Yep.
Okay.
And then left.
Yeah. Okay. And that's it.